All right, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you are a palladium or platinum stacker, I got some huge news, more so a huge buying opportunity or deal that I see present in the market. I want to show you guys this. With that being said, let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm here on the JM Bullion site. And as you guys see, we have the live spot prices for gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. For this video, I'm going to be more so focused on palladium and platinum. So right now, the spot price for platinum is about $910. The spot price for palladium is about $990. So from my understanding, for the most part in industry, these metals are used heavily when it comes to catalytic converters in cars, and they're slowly starting to be used when it comes to electrolysis for hydrogen. But for the most part, it's going to be the catalytic converters where we see these metals being used. So right now, in most of their use cases, platinum and palladium can be switched one to one. They can be used one to one interchangeably. I'm gonna come back to that in just a second. So if you look at the current price and if you look at the charts for palladium, it looks like palladium, after going up, spiking a whole lot during the pandemic, is at its lowest price since about 2018. If we look at platinum, let's see what we have here. We're seeing the lowest price. Well, the price has basically been low over the past about 10 years, and the slump that we're seeing over the past decade is the lowest that it's been since the Great Recession back in '09. Also, platinum is at half the price that it was. It was double the price of gold at the time. It's now half the price of gold. So we're seeing platinum and palladium in a huge slump throughout recent history. I think it's about due time for a comeback. Like I said, keep in mind these prices. We're seeing platinum at about $900. We're seeing palladium at about $1,000, and they can be used interchangeably. So for the most part, I really don't, as far as me acquiring these metals, I really don't mind buying either. But with platinum being such a low price over the past 5-10 years, and with palladium being at such a high price over the past 5-10 years, I haven't been able to invest much in palladium, and I'm assuming that's the case for most investors. So right now may be a good time to get palladium. Outside of these metals being about the same price, the all-in sustainable cost, which is the cost for miners to produce platinum, is about a little bit over $1,000. Let me see if I can pull this up. The all-in sustainable cost to produce to mine platinum as of 2022 was about almost $1,100. Going back to the current price of today, like I said, we're looking at about $900, and that takes us to about $1,000 once we add on the premium. I'm going to get to that in a moment also. Generally speaking, compared to platinum, palladium has a higher premium. Platinum normally has a premium of about $100. Palladium normally has a premium $200 to $400. The range is pretty huge when it comes to platinum, especially due to the recent volatility with the actual price of the commodity or the metal itself. Let's see here. And I want to show you guys some actually places where you can purchase. I pulled up the charts just then on JM Bullion. That's normally where I go. Right now, I think the best prices that I've been seeing recently have been through SD Bullion. I'm seeing SD Bullion has platinum at about $70 above spot. Its spot price is about $910. You can purchase one bar for one ounce bar for $980, which is $70 over spot. If you're purchasing more, of course, you can get a lower spot price. All right, so real quickly, I want to show you guys some palladium bars. Like I said, the spot is normally about $200 to $400 when it comes to palladium bars. We're looking on JM Bullion right now. It looks like the cheapest palladium bar that we can get right now is right at about $1,200, which is $200 over the spot price. So that's cool. That's actually on the low end and pretty decent from JM Bullion, which, you know, they usually have decent prices. But let's go back to SD Bullion. The cheapest price that they have on palladium right now is $11.20, which is about $80 cheaper. Right here, you're basically getting palladium. Let me go back to the spot price of palladium. The spot price of palladium is $9.90. So right now on SD Bullion, right here today, you can get you can get palladium for about right at $120 over spot pricing. So this is actually a really great price. Before I leave this, so we see that SD bullion as far as with palladium is beating the JM bullion price. Let's check on AppMex also. All right, I'm here on AppMex. I'm going to go to bars just to keep everything consistent. I know the coins are usually going to be a little bit higher. So we're looking at about $1,200 on here also. Do we have anything that's cheaper? No, so like I said, right now SD Bullion has the best price when it comes to palladium. We're getting palladium right at about $120 over spot. That's normally something that we would see with platinum. So that's a pretty good deal. Technically, that's about what? About 60% off of the premium. And we're getting it at right about the price of platinum right now. So if you guys are interested in that, there seems to be a great deal when it comes to platinum. And I want to show you guys this one last thing. Of course, seeking alpha is not like the end all be all. I just wanted, you can find this information other places. I just found a good summary of what I wanted to tell you guys here. But platinum and palladium can be used interchangeably. Best performer in precious metals since 2016 when it comes to palladium. Of course, I don't think that's the case anymore. It may be gold or silver at the moment. Like I said, definitely be on the lookout. Plus, this stuff has a potential great use when it comes to hydrogen fuel, electrolysis, and all of that stuff. If you don't know what I mean, I'm probably going to do another video on that at some point. Definitely do your research. But it looks like palladium, platinum are the way to go, and palladium might be slowly catching the edge when it comes to value. So definitely, guys, check it out. Make sure you like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Even if you have already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you have not been unsubscribed by YouTube. So yeah, with that being said, y'all catch me out on the next video.